Welcome to this Android and Google channel, and this is the Android news for Monday, September the 24th, 2018. And today, in our Android and Google news, we have Google that is bringing dark mode to the macOS Google Chrome browser. But what's weird is it's bringing it there, but it's no word of it yet on Windows or even Android. Of course, we know that the latest version of Mac OS has a dark theme, so maybe it's kind of easy to implement there. I don't know. It's kind of weird. If you have the OnePlus 6 smartphone, you'll be happy to know that after seeing many betas around, Android 9 Pie is finally available for your device, so you just got to check your updates apparently. We are getting, of course, more and more leaks of the Google Pixel 3 phones, but we also learned today that a wireless charging dock will be available pretty much at the same time as the official launch of the new phone. This is going to be interesting to see. It has been 10 years this September that Android has come to be, with the first ever smartphone of the Android platform called the T-Mobile G1. It has evolved into a hugely popular operating system, but also has changed how even iPhones update. So it's going to be interesting to maybe look back at this a little bit on this channel this week, and see what Android changed. The Google CEO wanted to just put one thing straight, that Google employees or the company itself has not changed or interfered with search results in any way. As some reports of internal meddling from some of the employees, it says, you just wanted to say nope, nope, nope. Even though they talked about it, we're not doing anything. Well, if you buy a Toyota car next year or later, you might actually have Android Auto. The company has agreed to include Android Auto in their own vehicles, and they had resisted for a while, saying or stating a lot of security problems, but it seems that they've done a deal now, and it's going to be coming starting next year. And Google has a list of devices that are updated to the latest security updates in the last 90 days. I'll be looking into this and probably trying to share this. It's very interesting to look at because it tells us which devices and which companies are, better at like doing updates and keeping you safe than others. So this is kind of interesting. And finally, some users are mad at Google because a new version of Chrome 69 is logging you in automatically if you log into a Gmail service, YouTube service, and so on. Many users want to have the ability to sign into their services without having the browser signing in, because when the browser does sign in, it starts to share history and a lot more information with the Google services. So of course, we'll keep an eye on that, see if Google steps back